Hi, I'm Jared. I'm a pharmacist here at Strive Pharmacy, and today I'll be showing you how to properly use and store your Insufflator. When used as prescribed, typically one puff, twice daily, the powder in each capsule should last about 7 days. To get started, open the Insufflator by gently pulling up on the scored tip. Only the top third of the device should separate. Holding the bulb facing downward in your hand, before opening the capsule, gently tap it on a flat surface so the powder settles into the bottom half. Then, open the capsule. Make sure the capsule stays upright when opening. Place the capsule half containing the medication into the Insufflator nozzle, with that open side facing up toward the bulb. Reattach the tip securely, keeping the bulb pointed downward to prevent powder from spilling into the bulb. Be careful not to pinch your fingers when reattaching the tip. Next, tilt your head to one side with your ear you're treating facing upward. Gently place the tip of the Insufflator at the opening of the ear canal. Squeeze the bulb firmly to deliver one puff of medication as prescribed. If no powder comes out the first time, you can go ahead and do another puff. Keep your head tilted for about 1 minute to allow the powder to settle. Once you're finished, wipe the outside of the Insufflator with an alcohol swab. If there's medication remaining in the capsule, you may leave it in the device for your next dose, unless your provider has instructed you otherwise. Store the Insufflator with the capsule inside and the bulb facing downward in a clean, dry place. A clean drinking glass can be a helpful way to keep the device upright. If any medication gets on your hands, wash them right away. Store unused capsules upright away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight, and always keep them out of reach of children and pets. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at strivepharmacy.com.